Okay, so this week's video is going to be the French Sinnet. Now, this is an example I made a few years ago, and it's two different types of red, and gives you this lovely pattern in it. Okay, so we're going to do a little makeup version of this. I've got a constrictor knot here, and what I would do is put like a bulldog clip on, something like that, or just tie these down just so you can keep the tension. So I've got 5 of the same colour and just got the one just to show you what the pattern does, and hopefully it'll make it a bit clearer having one of white colour. So yeah, I'm just going to push that up to the top. I'm just going to hold it over here to the right. So Ashley, he does in his picture right to left. I prefer, I don't know, maybe it's just me, I prefer to do it left to right. So this one's going to get tucked underneath now, and we'll start off in the left hand side, going over and under. So yeah, slug that up, put that underneath, and we'll grab the next one to the left, and we're going to keep doing that until we've done them all. So I'm doing it very quickly just to show, but you can spend a bit more time to make it a bit neater. Just keep on going. So yeah, grab the next one from the left. Going over, under to the right. Tuck that one underneath. Go back again to the white, and that will go over, under, over, under. So hopefully you'll be able to see the structure of it. All the strands, they come across once, all the way down, come across a second time. They just keep on doing that. You do that as long as you like until you run out. Now, what I would suggest, if you've got, I've used these bobbins, which is a handy little thing, and that helps keep a lot of thin cord tidy. I've used that to make this braid. So this is for a lanyard. So we've got there the same colours as the LGBTQ Ally colours. So got the rainbow and then white and black there, and then this is another version of two different colours, but it gives you this lovely chevron effect. So yeah, this is 8 strands, this one. Well, I hope the French Sinnet has been useful to you to see, and you'll be able to follow something like this to make something else like that. Okay, thanks for watching.